Do you remember when you created your first weather app? You Googled free weather API, found the perfect website, and copy-pasted the sample URL into Postman, praying to the coding gods for it to work. At first you thought, wow, this is easy. You fetched some data and watched those beautiful JSON responses flow into your app like magic. You got excited to build more projects and even dreamed of creating your own APIs. But then reality hit. 404 errors. CORS issues, wrong parameters, invalid keys. Suddenly, APIs felt like that one friend who always cancels plans at the last minute. As if that weren't enough, you were constantly flipping between VS Code and Postman, feeling like a keyboard juggler. What if there was an easier way to debug your APIs without leaving the comfort of VS Code? Say hello to EchoAPI, a free powerful API debugging extension built right into your favorite code editor. No matter your role, EchoAPI is tailored for developers of all kinds. No more switching between tools. EchoAPI brings everything you need for API development right into VS Code. React developers can debug APIs without switching tools, while backend engineers benefit from built-in GraphQL support, WebSocket clients, and organized request management. Whether you're building front ends, managing databases, or handling real-time data, EchoAPI streamlines your workflow. Still manually inputting random data, EchoAPI can automatically generating mock data for your API endpoints. Whether you're working with animals, books, or other data sets. To make your workflow even more organized, EchoAPI can automatically generate API documentation for you, with detailed descriptions of each request. No more manual updates or outdated docs. EchoAPI keeps everything in sync. When you're ready to share your work, EchoAPI makes collaboration effortless. Invite your colleagues to your workspace and work together on APIs seamlessly. This is just the tip of the iceberg when it comes to EchoAPI. Whether you're new to APIs or a seasoned pro, EchoAPI is designed to make your life easier. With its intuitive design and powerful features, EchoAPI simplifies API development, saving you time and effort. Developers across various industries rely on it to streamline integration and enhance productivity. So why not give it a try? Explore the full documentation on the EchoAPI website, linked below, and see how it can transform your workflow. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to let us know how EchoAPI works for you.